Season's greetings to your family from the Pizza Hut family.
My name is Shadeen Gray from Pizza Hut 75. I'm sending season greetings to my family and my friends and also my co-workers. A Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year when it comes.
Kamara Grassip here from Pizza Hut number 75, sending greetings from my family to yours. Have a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year when it comes.
My name is Tamara Newman from Harbour Pizza Hut. I'm sending greetings to all my family all over the world. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Hello, my name is Andrea Maxwell, sending greetings from Pizza Hut 75. From my family to your family, Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year's when it comes.
Season greetings from Pizza Hut 75. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year when it comes. Woo!
Season's greetings to your family from the Pizza Hut family.
It's a season to share, more to give. Pizza Hut amazing 4+, more to share this Christmas. It's a season to share.
Get more to share this Christmas with the amazing 4+ from Pizza Hut. One amazing 4 pizza, family-sized cheese sticks or Cinna sticks, and a 2-liter Pepsi, all for $3,950. Part proceeds support hurricane relief. Order for call and collect delivery WhatsApp or at pizzahutjamaica.com. Pizza Hut, feeding good times.